Hello guys, in this video we'll look to an amazing scratch trick which will blow your mind. So suppose we have a list and it doesn't really matter what the list is named. I'll name it example list and then I'll just insert random items into the list, but keeping in mind that each item must have more than one number, word or data, which means each item is a separate set here. Now here comes the problem, which is that when you use the list contains thing block for searching for a specific data, including all sub-data sections in the list, it doesn't make the work for you, as even if it exists, it will return false. Whereas when that particular data represents one whole item alone, it shows true. Surprisingly, the solution is too short and simple. Simply drag in the apple contains a block and replace the thing to search with the particular data you want to search and the data from where you want to search for with the representative block of the list you want to search from. It will definitely return a true and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Drop a like if you'd like and see you next time.